Hi, I'm Sue Henry, aka Sassy Broad. Today we're going to talk about the 5 tips and tricks that you need to know and how you can maximize the earnings and savings in your Nexus Rewards or Snap Premium membership. Now, this membership is a $40 one-time fee and then $10 a month. Now, before I hop into these 5 different tips I'm going to be sharing, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, and then hit the bell notification. That way you won't miss any of the videos that I share when I come in and I give you all these tips and ideas, because don't we all want to save money? And even more importantly, don't we want to earn a lot more money? I don't know about you, but I'm all over that. Okay, so let's hop into it. Tip number 1, use this specific app when you're shopping online. You can connect it to your PayPal account, and then the money that you've saved goes in there. So again, it's one of those things that you're shopping online. Think of all the things you buy online as it is. By using this app and getting those savings and then connecting it to your PayPal account, you've got that money right there that you can turn around and use for other things or to save on the things that you're making already. Tip number 2 is, before going to the grocery store, browse this specific app. It's a different app to see what specials are available. Now, these specials offer a substantial, not discount in the price, but they have a lot of additional points that are added. So I go through the app, but once I make my grocery list out for the week, before I go to the store, I look through the app. Are there things that that are on my list that I'm going to buy anyway, or is there something I'm getting really low on? So a couple weeks ago, I was getting very low on Glad trash bags, and that's the brand I buy. Well, they had a special so that if you bought $8 worth, which isn't hard, if you buy $8 worth, then you go ahead and you're going to get, I think I got like 2,000 points on that. The other thing that they had on there was Downy Wrinkle Release. Now, I don't know if you've ever tried it, but it's perfect. I always keep some that I take with me in my suitcase when we're traveling, because then you just spray it on your t-shirts and things that have gotten kind of, where those creases are where you folded it, you shake it out, ta-da, the wrinkles are all gone. So they had that on special. I was getting low, so I got another 2,000 points on that. So I got 4,000 points just from these 2 products. Now, I continue to look through and see what other things, they've got a lot of food items, etc. Some of it I buy, some of it I don't buy, but I only look for the things that I'm going to buy right now. I don't go and just because I have a coupon or I can save or get extra points on it, I'm going to go buy it if we're not going to eat it. And again, that, I'm sure that makes sense to you, but I know people who have done that. So the third thing that I'm going to do, and this is magic, you take, so you scan all of your receipts with this other app. Now, what's really cool is this works for online receipts as well as your regular receipts. The did I lose one? Okay, so anyway, I missed one, so I'll go back to it. But anyway, so think about the bills that you pay online that are auto pay, and then you get a receipt, car insurance, home insurance, cable bill, phone bill, all those different types of things. Well, you just use this app, you scan those, and you get points. You get points, and that's really powerful. So what's the power of all these points? Why am I talking about points? Who cares about points, Sue? I want money. Well, here's what's really cool is that you take these points and then you convert them into money via gift cards. So they've got 12 different categories of gift cards, and all these stores underneath each of the categories. Now, one of the main things I do is I put them in my Amazon. So I take those points, convert them to an Amazon gift card. Then I have that card number in my Amazon account. So every time I go shopping, which is way too often in Amazon, guess what? I'm using that money toward my purchase. So now it's like I'm shopping for free. How freaking cool is that? And that's the benefit of accumulating all these points. I've got 6 kids, 6 grandkids. I can accumulate those points. And then when the holidays come, I can go ahead and get gift cards and give them these gift cards of places that they're going to enjoy shopping at. And guess what? Didn't cost me any money. So how powerful is that? So that's a way of not only saving money, but holding on to the money that you've already earned. The third thing that I wanted to talk about is saving money on gas and eating out. Now, this is a different app. And so when you go in, you're going to save money. You're going to get a discount, but you don't see that when you're at the pump or when you're, checking out or going through the drive-through at a restaurant or anything like that. What happens is that those savings go into your accounts a wallet, and then the wallet, you can go ahead and take that money and you can transfer it to your bank account or to PayPal, whatever you want to do. So again, look at the places where things that you're already buying and the things that and the places where you're going to buy them. These are ways that you can take that and maybe double dip and triple dip those rewards on what you're already doing. And then the fifth way is the Nexus bill negotiation service. And what that is that you could upload your bills into their service. Again, this is only for the premium members, $40 one time, $10 a month. You upload, so like your cell phone bill, your insurance, your cable bill, all those things, utility bills, and then they'll go through and they'll contact those companies and negotiate on your behalf. So it's not that they're changing your coverage or your service. Nothing is changing. They're negotiating to get a lower price on what you're already buying right now. Makes sense? So for me, I had uploaded my cable bill, my dish bill. They saved me $520 a year without having to change anything in there. And I really like that because I like the channels I get. And if I can get it for $40 less a month, well, oh yeah, I'm all over that. But I haven't submitted my home insurance yet. And because we're farm insurance, I don't know if they can even cover that. And then I just submitted my car insurance. I haven't heard back from them. I just did that late last week. So we'll see what they come back and say on that. So again, here's the thing. If you are looking for a way where you can legitimately save and earn money on the things that you're already buying, the things you're already doing, you're going to make so much more money back than the $10 monthly fee. As far as being a member of Nexus Rewards, trust me, it's going to blow your mind. So go ahead, click on the link below, get started. If you have questions, you're not sure how to use some of these things, although the videos are incredible, it's showing you all these things in the back office, go ahead, reach out. I'm here to help you so that you can enjoy the money that you have, make it go further, and earn extra money that you can use for the things you want, not just the things that you need. So looking forward to talking with you. Go ahead, click the link below. Talk soon. Bye-bye.